In a world where hair loss and thinning have become all too common, people are searching for effective and natural remedies to promote hair growth. One such remedy that has gained immense popularity is aloe vera. Welcome to our video on exploring the benefits of aloe vera for hair growth. In this video, we will delve into the amazing properties of aloe vera and how it can work wonders for your hair. Aloe vera is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that nourish the scalp and promote healthy hair growth. It contains proteolytic enzymes, which repair dead skin cells on the scalp and stimulate hair follicles. When applied to the scalp, aloe vera helps improve blood circulation, facilitating the delivery of nutrients to the hair follicles. This nourishment strengthens the roots and promotes faster hair growth. Countless success stories demonstrate the effectiveness of aloe vera for hair growth. Let's take a look at the results achieved by individuals who incorporated aloe vera into their hair care routines. As you can see, aloe vera has been a game changer for many, with noticeable improvements in hair thickness and overall hair health. By incorporating aloe vera into your hair care routine at least 2 to 3 times a week, you can harness its natural properties to promote hair growth and achieve healthier, more vibrant hair. Remember, consistency is key when using natural remedies like aloe vera for hair growth. Give it time to work its magic, and you may see positive results sooner than you think. Thank you for watching our video on the benefits of aloe vera for hair growth. We hope you found it informative and have begun using aloe vera to boost hair growth. It's Leah signing off. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.